Hello! In this video, we will go over how to clean your Olive Max and how to perform a factory reset. We will also include information on how to fix issues that occur in a singular earbud, reduce feedback and unwanted noise, and fix Bluetooth connection problems. First, clean your earbuds and charging case with a cotton swab soaked in rubbing alcohol. When cleaning the case, be sure to clean the charging pins for the earbuds, as debris can interrupt and prevent the earbuds from charging properly. When cleaning the earbuds, also be sure to clean the charging ports. After cleaning your Olive Max set, place the earbuds back in the case and press down with extra pressure to ensure the earbud charging ports are in contact with the charging pins. Charge the Max for about 30 minutes. This will help check if the earbuds are charging properly and that the issue is not with the battery. A factory reset can usually fix any quirks or bugs your device is currently experiencing. You can perform a factory reset through the following steps. Return the Olive Max to its charging case and close. Remove the Olive and Olive device from your Bluetooth settings if existing. Open and locate the small button inside the back of the case. Press and hold for 7 seconds to factory reset the Olive Max. The charging case's light at the front should flash orange a few times to indicate the factory reset was performed. Close the case. If the light does not flash orange, please press down on the earbuds to ensure they are making contact with the charging case's pins at the bottom. Open the case and re-pair the Olive Max to your Bluetooth device. Go through the initial pairing and connection process again. Additionally, please be sure that your My Olive app and the Olive Max software are up to date. Performing a factory reset and checking for all updates will usually resolve issues you are experiencing with only the left or right earbud. If you are still experiencing issues with one of your earbuds, please contact our support staff. If you are experiencing trouble with unwanted noises or feedback, after performing a factory reset, connect again to the My Olive app and try to reduce the background noise by selecting the noise reduction button on the left-hand side. You can adjust the level of noise reduction up to level 3. Try each level slowly and test to see if you can reach the desired level of noise reduction that suits you best. At the top of the noise reduction menu, you can also turn on feedback cancellation if you are hearing a screeching or echoing sound. Another way to remedy the feedback is by making sure your ear tips are securely suctioning to your ear canal. If there is some loose space between the ear tip and your ear canal, it is more likely that your earbud will pick up external sounds and create a feedback loop. Be sure to try each size of the ear tips to confirm which size has the best fit for you. If using the urethane ear tips, please also be sure to squeeze the ear tips, placing them in your ears to allow them to expand and suction properly to your ear canal. If you are using the occlusion ear tips or the silicone ones, you may have to adjust the noise reduction higher as well as the EQ settings to counter the looser fit. Speaking of EQ settings, you can also adjust the frequency of the pitch you think you are hearing or picking up the most in the background noise or causing the feedback. You can adjust each frequency up to +9 and reduce to -9. Try reducing the higher frequencies and gradually test them to see at what level the unwanted noise is at your preferred comfort level. You may have to try all these adjustments at different variations and combinations to see if you can find a perfect setting that is most comfortable for you. If you are still having feedback or unwanted noise issues after this troubleshooting, please contact our support staff. If you are experiencing issues with your Bluetooth connection, please try the following. Try turning off your phone's Bluetooth settings for 30 seconds and then attempt to pair again. You can also try establishing a new pair. Remove the Olive and Olive device from your Bluetooth settings if existing. Return the Olive Max to the charging case and open it, and press the inside button for 3 seconds to enter manual pairing mode. The charging case's light should begin blinking blue to indicate manual pairing mode. The Olive Max should then appear in your phone's Bluetooth settings. Also, try uninstalling and reinstalling the My Olive app before trying to repair your device. When pairing the Olive app, make sure to return the My Olive app and pair to the Olive Max from within the app. Attempting to pair with the Olive app from your phone's Bluetooth menu will likely result in an error. If you are still having trouble pairing, please perform a factory reset as described at the beginning of the video. Additionally, please be sure that your My Olive app, the Olive Max software, and your OS version are up to date. Thank you for watching. We hope this troubleshooting helped. Please do not hesitate to contact our support staff should you need any additional assistance.